Can you do this?
It's so cool. No, I don't know these things. I mean, oh, I know how to make, like...
What up, crew? Last month I was in Porto, Portugal, and met up with Chris from Get Hands Dirty. So let's vamos va umelato. Joe P. Kirchma here, but we'll hold off on that. Get Hands Dirty is what we're talking about. And if you don't know Get Hands Dirty, welcome to YouTube. I'll put a link in the description of her channel and a thing at the end. You definitely want to check her out. She's got so many cool things that she does, and they're actually really good quality. Unlike what you may be used to watching on this channel with the DIY kind of look.
I mean, I can do it.
She's got some awesome musical instruments, and we just finished our 3D Connect 4 board game on her channel, so go take a look at that. But I also had another game called Liar's Dice, also called Dudo and Perdo.
Padook.
Padook? This dice game was made popular in Pirates of the Caribbean Dead Man's Chest, when Orlando Bloom and his father Bootstrap Bill play Davy Jones to see who can go to shore or spend eternity on the ship. I had 25 dice, but they didn't line up well in the box, so we needed something to space them out. Chris did a great job with some of the coolest tools that I've ever seen.
You can still, because
You're not gonna get rid of
because you have too much hide.
We gave it some nice leather padding and even the Get Hands Dirty stamp of approval. It turned out great, and all of the rattle noises basically gone. There was also a really cool festival called Pares de Cura going on. There was this awesome band called Dead Combo, and if you want to hear something kind of Tom Waits meets Halloween and Tim Burton and 1950s style guitar, give them a listen during the next Halloween party that you're gonna host. But it got me thinking about the wristbands that they clamp on, and how easy would it be to possibly take them off and give them to somebody else? It's just a small piece of aluminum clamped onto a little bit of cloth, so how difficult could this be? Well, it turns out you'll probably need a rotary tool and another person whose hands don't shake, along with a piece of protective metal underneath and some safety glasses. Even if you manage to perfectly cut through this thing, you're still going to need to pry it open. It's going to be kind of hot. And as we figured out, you might even melt the polyester band. Oh, and you're probably going to lose a little bit of hair on your arm if you taped it. So, it's not worth it. So that was kind of interesting.
Nice. Look at that. Isn't that a commode? Oh my god, really?
We melted it a little bit. It's polyester
Right.
with the heat. Oh yeah.
Hooray. Alright. Voila.
Anyway, I want to give a big shout out to Chris, of course, and Inventables, and basically anyone making cool stuff. You guys rock. And now, let's termino con uma situação. Oh, look at that. That's such a nice fit. That's so sweet.